Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bima from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can download and install Google Chrome extensions on your Android browser. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How do you install Google Chrome extensions from the web store on your Android browser? Now, if you're familiar with the Chrome web store, you know that it is very easy to install it on the desktop version of Chrome. However, on the mobile version of Chrome, unfortunately, you have some limitations. But I will show you because there is a workaround around this, so make sure to stick with me till the end. You will not be able to install extensions from the default Chrome app itself. So in order to install an extension, we have to download a key browser which is called Kiwi Browser. So go ahead and simply open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, in the search box you want to type in Kiwi Browser and make sure to download this exact app. It is based on the Chrome app as well. You have to download this exact app which says Kiwi Browser by Geometry OU, which is the developer. Make sure to download this exact app on your phone. Once you've downloaded it, I'm going to simply open it. Once you open the app, you can see this is kind of look like the interface is going to look like of this particular browser. Now what you can do is you can simply go to the Chrome web store. I have also left the link down in the description box, so go ahead and simply actually go to the Chrome web store. Once you go to the official Chrome web store, you'll be able to see this kind of interface, which is the web store interface, just like the desktop version. So you can see all of these options basically right over here. If you want to install a certain one, for example, you could go ahead and also use the search box right over here. Let me just go ahead and show you. You can also take the help of the search box exactly on the screen, or else you could download a default one right over here. Let me just go ahead and try to show you by downloading, let's say, or adding the Google Translate extension on my device. So let me go ahead and add this extension right over here. So as you can see, we are going to be taken to this page. Now what we will do is I will simply tap on this button which says Add to Chrome. So go ahead and simply tap on Add to Chrome, and it is going to ask you whether you want to actually add it. So I will simply tap on the OK button again. You can see it says checking. The process is exactly the same, and as you can see, we have successfully added. You have the option to actually now remove it from Chrome. If I go ahead and show you, it says remove from Chrome. In order to check all of the extensions which we have installed on our browser, what you could do is tap on the three dots which you see on the top right hand side of the screen, and over here you'll find this option which says extensions. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the extensions button. As soon as you tap on extensions, you'll be able to see a list of extensions which you have installed. Now you can enable or disable those extensions just like in the desktop version, or you can also tap on the remove button in order to remove that particular extension. This is the way on how you can install Google Chrome extension in your Android browser. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.